goes the little red car, zooming fast and zooming far. Beep, beep, watch it fly, past the trees and under the sky. Choo-choo goes the giant train, rolling through the sun and rain. Toot-toot, hear it roar, clickety-clack from shore to shore. Zoom, zoom goes the airplane bright, soaring high in morning light. Whoosh, whoosh, wings so wide, gliding like a bird in the sky. Honk, honk goes the bumpy bus, come along and ride with us. Doors swing open, climb inside, let's go take a joyful ride. Choo choo goes the giant train, rolling through the sun and rain. Toot toot, hear it roar, clickety-clack from shore to shore. Choo-choo goes the giant train, rolling through the sun and rain. Toot-toot, hear it roar, clickety-clack from shore to shore. Toot-toot goes the giant train, rolling through the sun and rain. Toot-toot, hear it roar, clickety-clack from shore to shore. Zoom-zoom goes the airplane bright, soaring high in morning light. Whoosh, whoosh, wings so wide, gliding like a bird in the sky. Honk, honk goes the bumpy bus, come along and ride with us. Doors swing open, climb inside, let's go take a joyful ride. 9 little frogs with toes so green, one jumped in with a happy scream, into the pond with a great big grin, leaving behind just 8 within. 8 little frogs sang a tune, one leaped off with a froggy swoon, splashing low and diving deep. 7 more frogs still to leap. 7 little frogs on a sunny log, one jumped in with a ribbon jog into the cool blue splashy stream. 6 frogs left to chase their dream. 6 little frogs playing with a bee, one jumped off so happily. Buzz and hop, what fun they had. 5 frogs now and none were sad. 5 little frogs bouncing on the ground, one took a leap with a joyful sound, into the water with a flip so fine. Now we're down to only 4 in line. 4 little frogs in the summer sun, one leaped in joining the fun, with a ribbon and a mighty splash. 3 more frogs in a flash. 3 little frogs said let's jump too, one dove in like a rocket, woo, into the water cool and clean. Now just 2 frogs can be seen. 2 little frogs on a lily leaf, one jumped in beyond belief, down to 1 still smiling bright, he'll be gone before the night. 1 little frog looked all around, said, this pond's the best I've found. He leaped in with a joyful cheer, now all the frogs have disappeared. Water park, splash so high, sliding down we zoom and fly. Jump in the pool, the fun begins, we laugh and giggle with big wide grins. Waves go up, waves come down, we float and spin and splash around. Sunny skies and water play, it's a super splashing day. Twisty slide, here we go, round and round, then down below. Zooming fast and squealing loud, we're flying through the misty cloud. Spray guns blasting left and right, water fights with joy and might. Running through the fountains tall, we slip, we slide, we splash, we fall. Buckets tip and water pours, we rush and laugh and shout for more. Rainbow showers, splishy splash, we dash through puddles in a flash. Lazy river, drifting slow, waving as the others go. Float along with ducky boats, sailing gently as laughter floats. Jumping into water deep, we splash the lifeguard in one leap. Cannonballs and spinning dives, it's the best day of our lives. Bubble zones with foamy fun, we giggle till the day is done. Big balloons and bouncing games, we all laugh and shout our names. Dance beneath the waterfall, water sparkles, music calls. Spinning, jumping, dancing crew, the water park is dream come true. Sunset glows, it's almost night, but we're still splashing with delight. One last slide, then wave goodbye, until tomorrow when we'll fly. Black sheep, what do you bring? Soft little bundles for everything. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly blue sheep, bright as the sky, fluffy and gentle, stacked up high. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly pink sheep, candy and sweet, cozy and warm from your tiny feet. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly white sheep, shining with light, your snowy coat makes the world so bright. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly red sheep, cheerful and bold, bringing us blankets spun of gold. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly green sheep, grassy and fun, rolling and dancing under the sun. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly yellow sheep, sunny and bright, filling the meadow with golden light. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly purple sheep, dreamy and kind, leaving soft sparkles of stars behind. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly orange sheep, cozy and warm, snuggling us safely through every storm. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly rainbow sheep, magical glow, sharing your colors wherever you go. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, he wobbled and giggled, ready to fall. Along came children clapping with cheer, Humpty laughed loud, spreading joy far and near. Humpty Dumpty danced on the wall, twirling and spinning, he almost did fall. The king's men shouted, "Careful up there!" but Humpty just waved with joy everywhere. Humpty Dumpty rocked side to side, he spread his arms and opened them wide. The horses trotted around with delight, keeping old Humpty safe in their sight. Humpty Dumpty tried to stand tall, balancing slowly, afraid he might fall. The children clapped, "You can do it, friend." His wobbling balance held till the end. Humpty Dumpty slipped just a bit, "Oh no," he cried, "I nearly split." The king's men rushed with laughter and glee, "Don't worry, Humpty, we'll help thee." Humpty Dumpty bounced up high, reaching his hands to the bright blue sky. The birds flew past and cheered on too, singing a song as the sunshine grew. Humpty Dumpty slip once more, rolling gently across the floor. The horses neighed and formed a ring, protecting their friend like a caring king. Humpty Dumpty laughed with glee. Falling is fun, just wait and see. The king's men chuckled, the children played, everyone danced in the sunny parade. Humpty Dumpty rolled down low, then bounced right back with a magical glow. The wall lit up with sparkles bright, turning the world to a scene of delight. Humpty Dumpty stood once again, cheered by children, horses, and men. He sang out loud, let's all be friends. And so the story of Humpty never ends. Red like a rose on mommy's hat, red on my nose, imagine that. Red, 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 hooray! Blue is the sky and blue is the sea. Blue is the splash that tickles me. Blue, 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 hooray! Yellow is bright like the morning sun. Yellow and pies, yum, what fun! Yellow, yellow, smile away. Green is the grass where we jump and play. Green on our kite on a windy day. Green, green, jump, hooray! Purple grapes in Grandpa's sack, a purple twirl from a magic hat. Purple, purple twirl today. Orange is bright like pumpkin pie, a glowing fire in the twilight sky. Orange, orange, jump real high. Pink like a flower and fairy wings, pink jelly beans and candy rings. Pink, pink, let's all sing. Daddy finger, what color do you like? I like blue, I like blue. Mommy finger, what color do you like? I like red, I like red. Brother finger, what color do you like? I like green, I like green. Sister finger, what color do you like? I like yellow, I like yellow. Baby finger, what color do you like? I like purple, I like purple. Grandpa finger, what color do you like? I like orange. Grandma finger, what color do you like? I like pink. What color is the egg? Tap and shout, pop. It's red. What color is the egg? Shake and wiggle, pop. It's blue. What color is the egg? Knock, 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 pop. It's yellow. What color is the egg? Spin around, pop. It's green. What color is the egg? Tickle beside, pop. It's purple. What color is the egg? Dance real fast, pop. It's orange. What color is the egg? Sing la la, pop. It's pink. Rain, rain, go away. Rainbow eggs all wanna play. Red egg wants to bounce today. Bye bye, rain. Blue egg wants to splash and play. Yellow egg wants a pie, hooray. Green egg wants to hop and sway. Purple egg wants a nap. Okay. 5 little monkeys in nap. Shh. Okay. 5 little monkeys swinging in a tree. One was red and shouted, whee! Pop! It's red! 4 little monkeys flying so high. One was blue like the bright blue sky. Pop! It's blue! Look blue! 3 little monkeys jumping in yellow. One was sunny and super mellow. Pop! It's yellow! 2 little monkeys giggling with glee. One was green like a jungle tree. Pop! It's green! 1 little monkey smiling with pride. He was purple and full of joy inside. It's purple! Red and blue, yellow too, green and purple, orange for you. Pink joins too. It's a blast. All our colors shout out fast. Red, yellow, green! Purple, orange, pink, let's scream! 6 magic eggs so bright tonight. We found them all, what a delight. Sing our colors and off to bed. Dream of rainbows in your head, with color songs and magical times. 5 little geese went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 4 came back along. 4 little geese flew through the sky, swooping down then flying high. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 3 came back along. 3 little geese swam in the stream, floating gently like a dream. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 2 came back along. 2 little geese ran through the sand, flapping their wings across the land. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 1 came back along. 1 little goose sat on a rock, looking around the grassy dock. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but on came back to Mother's flock. Mother Goose flapped through the breeze, swooping through the fields and trees. She honked out loud, honk, 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 and found one goose beside the pond. Then by a log she found one more, hiding behind a grassy shore. She said again, honk, honk, honk. Now 3 geese waddled back along. One more flew down from a tree, laughing loud in playful glee. Mother called honk, honk, honk. Now 4 geese marched back along. The last one came with a joyful cheer. Sorry, Mom, I had fun here. She smiled and said, honk, honk, honk. Now all 5 geese came back along. 5 little geese back safe and sound, waddling home they spun around. Mother Goose said, honk, 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 and off they went to play along. The third turtle took a stroll. He walked so slow but reached his goal. He passed the trees, he passed the rocks, he even waved hello to Fox. The rabbits ran and jumped so high, but Turtle smiled and didn't try, for going slow is quite alright. He still gets home before the night. He crossed a stream upon a log and kindly nodded to a frog. The birds flew fast above his shell, but Turtle just said, all is well. The bees zipped by with buzzing sound, but Turtle kept his feet on ground. He chewed a leaf, then gave a grin. He knew he'd surely win within. The squirrels dashed fast from tree to tree, but Turtle watched so peacefully. He stopped to smell a blooming rose and took his time from head to toes. He met a hedgehog on the trail who tipped his hat with great detail. Turtle bowed and strolled on slow, enjoying breeze and sun's warm glow. A butterfly came fluttering near and whispered, Turtle, you bring cheer. Turtle blushed and said with pride, I take my time and enjoy the ride. The clouds moved fast across the blue, the wind blew leaves and flowers too. Turtle found a shady spot to rest a while when it got hot. He looked around at all he passed, though slow he had a journey vast. He didn't need to jump or fly, he saw the world with turtle eyes. He reached his home as stars appeared, the crickets chirped, the sky was clear. He smiled and sighed, I did just right, for I got home before the night.